welcome back to another video. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mel. So today I am really excited because I'm going to be doing a first impression on a hair removal device. So I had the Silken company reach out to me and ask whether I wanted to demonstrate what this product does and how well it works. And I said, absolutely. Who doesn't want to not have to shave anymore? I've been shaving, well, I'm 50, so I've been shaving since I'm going to say early teenagers, I think is when I started shaving my legs and my underarm area. So if there is something that will help me not have to do that anymore, I am all on board for that. So this is called the Silken Infinity Hair Removal. On the side of the packaging, it shows you that it can be used actually on men and for women. For women, it says the face, the underarms, arms, bikini line, and legs. And for men, it can be used on your back or your chest area. I'll just explain a little bit what it does and why it's a great product that you can use at home. So it uses galvanic energy, opens the skin's pores, and enables the optical energy to penetrate deeper into the hair follicles. The optical energy is selectively absorbed in the hair shaft and ensures hair removal is achieved in the quickest way possible. It has a skin color sensor for superior safety, a lifetime of silky, smooth, hair-free skin. No refills are required. Yeah, so I have given it a try. I'll show you what the actual unit looks like once I get it out of the box. So once you open up, it comes in a nice little case like this, just almost like that Silken, the Titan device that I also use for my face. So it has a really sturdy box that it comes in, or case that it comes in. And inside, there's the device, the charging cord, and it also has adapters. So if there's people watching this from different parts of the world, it does have that, or if you're going traveling. And it also has your instruction manual and a warranty card and a cleaning cloth. And always keep in mind, even though a product is sent to me to try out, my opinion is always 100% my own. All they basically want you to do is just do like an unboxing and a demonstration video and your honest opinion. That's what they really truly want, is your honest opinion on the product. And so on the bottom, before you get started, on the very bottom of the box, I don't know if the light can kind of pick it up, right up here, it shows you the different skin tones. So from very fair people right up into darker skinned, but it also did mention that it is not recommended for dark skin. So anywhere from light, it's not recommended for tan skin as well. And the reason, I'm just going to read a little bit from the user guide that they recommend that you read before you start using the device. But it says, if you have naturally dark skin, treating dark skin can result in adverse effects such as burns, blisters, and skin color changes. Have naturally white, gray, blonde, or red body hair. If your body hair is of these colors, the Infinity will not work on you. Also, if you were exposed to strong sunlight or an artificial tanning machine during the past 4 weeks, it's not recommended that you don't use that in that time frame. So this is what the device looks like, all out of the packaging. And I'll just plug it in. And the light will come on. There's a little light here. And to start the settings, so it has 5 settings. With your first treatment, they recommend that you stay on the first setting. So I'm just going to press the button. And it does have like a fan noise to it. And what the suggestion is when you're holding the device, that you must have a few fingers on this part here. So that's the back of the unit. And then that is the front of the unit. So I'll show you in a few minutes. I did my leg area. So I'm just going to shut it off because it's a bit noisy. So I did my leg area, but I wanted to start in that area first because that is such a pain in the butt to be shaving my legs all the time. And then if I see that it works on there, then I will be doing my underarm areas. And when I noticed a lot of people, because I went online just to kind of see what people thought of the device and their reviews, a lot of people actually start on their arm hair area, which if it works, I will also be doing my arm hair area. I do have a lot of hair on my arm that bothers me, so I will be using it on my arms. This does take quite a number of weeks and months to see results. But when you think about if people go to an actual laser hair treatment facility, you're probably spending $100 or $200 per treatment to have the area treated. So to have this as a at-home device, so this is in Canadian dollars. It was running about $450 from what I could see on the website. So it could be a little bit cheaper probably in the States or other parts of the world, but those are Canadian dollars. So it's treating the hair follicle at the root, because each hair, individual hair, is sort of at its own growth rate. So that's why it takes so long for the treatment to work. But over time, the regrowth, you should have lighter hair, lighter patches of hair, and eventually like total hair removal. So the first thing you need to do before you start using the device is shave the area. So I shaved my legs this morning when I was in the shower. You want to make sure that it is clean and dry. Don't put any, if you're doing your underarm area, don't put any deodorant there. Your legs, if you're doing that, don't put lotion, just they have to be clean and dry. They recommend that you also do a patch test to make sure, and leave that for about 24 hours. Make sure that it is good for your skin. So I did do a patch test before that and it was fine. I didn't have any redness. I didn't have any bumps or blisters or anything like that. So that's why I went ahead with the treatment. And they also suggest that before and after treatment that you do avoid the sun. So I would prefer to, that's why I kind of wanted to start using it now, so that when the summer kind of hits, I should have no problem not being able to go out into the sun with my legs and that sort of thing. So treatment plans for this product is the 1 to 4 treatment range. So you do 1 to 4 treatments, is about 2 weeks in between. And then if you do your 5 to 7 week treatment, that should be 4 weeks apart. And for anything over 8 weeks, then you treat as needed. Now I'll cut to the video that I did earlier on my legs, and you'll see that the pulsing system, so I put the unit on my leg first. So you'll see in the video that I first started on my skin. So it's kind of sensing what your skin color is. And then as you can use 2 different methods. One is like a gliding method. So you are gliding it. I'll just kind of demonstrate it on my arm. It's not on right now, but you can have the unit on and glide it over, and there will be pulses to that. Or you can use it as a pulse method. So you put it on your arm, put it on your, and keep going down as that. You can do that. That's better for smaller areas, but larger areas they recommend you use the gliding method. So that's why I did that on my legs. So as you saw in the video, as I was doing my leg, it was not painful at all. It just felt a little bit warm on my skin. That was about it. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to work out for me. I will be doing some updates for you guys. Again, like I said, this does take quite a long time to see the end result. And then there is maintenance with it after that. So I will keep you guys updated with anything that may happen if I start getting adverse effects to it, that sort of thing. I'm excited at the same time because to not have to shave will just be like, oh my goodness. When you think about each week, how long you probably spend on shaving your legs or your underarms and bikini area, that sort of thing, that's a lot of time used. So, and I mean, everybody again has different variations of hair growth. So I know I have to do it several times during the week. But to sit and, I mean, this took me barely any time at all to do my one leg. Took me minutes. So, but that's going to be permanent hair removal at the end of the treatment. That will be gone permanently. So I should not have to shave anymore, which will be absolutely fantastic. So I will keep you guys posted. And I hope that if you have any questions, just leave me any questions down in the comment box below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Again, I just want to say thank you to the Silken Company for reaching out to me and supplying me with this device. I'm hoping from when I've read a bunch of the reviews that there was very, very positive feedback that it was working for those people. So I really hope that this does work. As always, I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and if you're curious to see how this is all going to turn out for you, make sure that you're subscribed. Give this video a like, big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. That helps my channel so much. And as always, I'm always going to have some videos on the side here for you guys to watch. Can't remember if it's that side or that side. One of the sides, there's going to be some videos to watch if you haven't done so already. I just want to thank everybody for watching, and I appreciate that so much. And until next time, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!